Welcome to our YouTube channel, dedicated to exploring the exciting world of artificial intelligence, AI, and its impact on content businesses. As AI continues to revolutionize the way we create, consume, and distribute content, it's more important than ever to stay informed and prepared. That's why our channel provides you with the latest insights and tools to help you navigate the AI landscape and stay ahead of the curve. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, our videos are designed to empower you with the knowledge and resources you need to leverage AI for success. From reviews of the latest AI tools to tutorials on how to implement them in your content strategy, we've got you covered. But that's not all. We also offer an exciting opportunity for you to showcase your own AI projects. Simply submit them for listing in the AI Tools directory at pampermenetwork.com, and we may feature them on our channel. To stay up to date on all things AI and join our growing community, be sure to subscribe to our newsletter and hit that notification bell. Thank you for tuning in, and let's embrace the future together.